Hey everyone, in this video I want to talk about clogged impellers. If you have a clogged impeller, I'm going to show you how to possibly unclog it without taking the whole motor apart. If you haven't already yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so clogged impellers are very common. How you'll know is, like, if you've ever had a lot of debris inside, you'll hear like a higher pitch sound coming from the actual motor, and it's basically struggling to get pressure going, essentially like cavitating. Okay, and so if you ever hear that, you're going to want to unclog it, but it's not hard to do, but to do it safely, you're going to want to make sure that the actual breaker is off. Okay, you don't want to just rely on the actual timers. You want to just do the breaker. Okay, so make sure that there's no power, nothing's going to start up. Okay, real important. And with this one, what we're going to do is, I'm just doing this with one hand, so it's going to take a little bit, but what you're going to do is you're going to, and each one is going to be different. So this one right here has got a lot of debris in it, but what you're going to do essentially is you're going to have a little pair of needle nose pliers. Any multi-tool will work. I'm actually not going to use any tool right now because this one is actually not clogged, but essentially down in here, and I doubt very seriously we'll be able to see it, but you have the impeller and the opening. Now it's really dangerous, like I said, if the power's not on and you want to use some type of tool, but you can basically take the tool, stick it in there, and actually pull out any leaves or debris. I'm going to try to get a shot here, and it may not even work, so let me see. I don't know if you could actually see. I'm not sure if you could actually even see it, but essentially there's just an opening there, and that's where the debris is going to be lodged. If not, you would have to take the motor apart right here. This one has 4 bolts. You would have to pull it apart. If the O-ring is old, you may have to replace that, or it may start leaking when you put it back on. But this is just a simple way that I do it on my pull routes when I don't have time to take a motor apart. I just simply, I usually have a multi-tool on me. I take the multi-tool, put it down in there, just grab hold of any debris, pull it out. It works really well. So yeah, so if you think that yours is clogged and you do not know about taking it apart, this is the easiest fix. Just have a small pair of pliers, preferably needle nose, and then just put it right in there in the opening. First of all, make sure the power's off, and you can unclog it. So I usually unclog the majority of all mine that way without having to open it up. So I just wanted to share this tip with you, and I appreciate all my new subscribers, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.